Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by collecting the right gear and marking a safe area. Measure and set ladder rungs 40 to 60 centimeters apart so foot placement trains quickness and coordination. Once measured, secure the ladder or lay out straps and slats. Make sure the surface is flat to prevent tripping. Use cones at each end to define drill space, because clear boundaries speed transitions and reduce collisions. Begin with a short 4-6 rung section to test spacing before now you build and stabilize the ladder so it performs reliably. Connect rails or lay straps, then align each rung straight and maintain even tension so they sit flat. This prevents trip hazards and gives consistent feedback to your feet. Anchor the ends with cones or light weights to stop shift during lateral drills. Once anchored, walk through 1-step and 2-step drills at a slow tempo to verify spacing and adjust if your step feels cramped or overreaching. Finish by programming drills and preparing to adapt on the fly. You sequence warm-ups, speed, and agility work, then control and plyometric sets, each 30 to 60 seconds to build intensity safely. Rotate movements, forward runs, lateral shuffles, karaoke, and single-leg hops to target different neuromuscular skills. If something goes wrong, check 3 things immediately. Spacing feels off, adjust rung gaps, ladder slips, add anchors, or change surface. Shoes lack grip, switch footwear. Make small fixes, then resume with the easier drill to rebuild confidence.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.